You don't need to exercise. Fruits and nuts are allowed. Eat any kind of meat you like. And lose 7 kilos in 2 weeks. What is the Swedish 13-day diet? One of the diets that you may hear a lot these days is the Swedish diet. If you think this diet is related to Swedish food, you're wrong. According to the fans of this diet, one of the reasons for the effectiveness of the Swedish diet is that it has very few carbohydrates and is rich in good fats and protein. This diet slowly boosts the metabolism and helps to improve the digestion process and reduce appetite and ultimately leads to weight loss. In this diet, you can eat whatever you like in whatever quantity you like, and it's expected after 2 weeks lose about 7 kilos. And of course, you must strictly follow the rules of this diet. What to eat in the Swedish slimming diet? The foods of the diet program not only provide the amount of calories needed by the body to lose weight, but also contain all nutrients for a healthy diet. Protein: all kinds of chicken, beef, lamb, turkey, fish, and shellfish. But be careful. The rule is that these foods should be boiled, steamed, or baked in the oven. The vegetables: in the Swedish shock diet, you can eat cabbage, cauliflower, mushrooms, cucumbers, onions, green peppers, tomato, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, zucchini, eggplants, olives, spinach, beets, carrots, lettuce, and avocado. Natural high-fat dairy products: Greek yogurt, butter, sour cream, cream cheese, and high-fat cheese. Nuts and seeds: walnuts, almonds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, hazelnuts, Brazil nuts, and cashew are allowed in this diet. Fruits: fruits have sugar in them, so if you crave something sweet, it's better to use fruit instead of other options. Consumption of all kinds of fruits is allowed in this diet. Egg: the best choice is organic egg, but you can also use regular eggs. In the Swedish diet, you can use eggs as boiled, fried, or omelets with some oil. Oils: vegetable fats such as olive oil are one of the most important foods in this diet. Dark chocolate 70% or higher. Use this, but not more than twice in a 7-day period. Drinks: water, at least 2 liters. Coffee: no problem with heavy cream. And tea, without sweeteners. Beverages such as coffee are an important part of the Swedish shock diet. Forbidden foods: drinks, soft drinks, sweet juices. Also avoid drinking fat-free milk because it may be rich in milk sugar. Refined vegetable and animal oils. All kinds of cakes, sweets, and cookies are among the harmful foods in the Swedish slimming diet. Sugar, chocolate, desserts, ice cream, muffins, granola bars, artificial sweeteners, and sweetened dairy products. Cereals and starches: bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, French fries, chips, legumes, beans, and lentils, because they are rich in carbohydrates. If you would like to tell me your opinion about this diet, leave me a comment. Have a good day!